Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by moving with purpose. Pick the flashlight, wrench, and a small noisy distraction. Sneak into the yard at dusk because lower visibility reduces camera attention, and crouch along fences to stay out of sight. Once you reach the shed area, move quickly to the basement door. This is your first choke point. Make sure to toss the distraction toward the porch to pull patrols away, then unlock or pry the basement entrance and slide inside while cameras reset. Once inside, focus on the mid-game objectives. Get the generator started and obtain the red keycard or fuse required for upstairs access. You'll need to read environmental cues. Green tape and broken tiles point to vents and secret drawers, so inspect them methodically. Make sure to stash found parts in your backpack and plan short, covered routes between objectives. Move only when patrols turn away. Timing their footsteps and camera sweeps prevents triggers, and repair the generator quietly to power. Finish by using the red key upstairs to access the study where the final code, lever, or escape tool is located. Retrieve it swiftly and confirm the door sequence. Once done, move to the front gate along the route you cleared earlier, and disable any alarms or cameras you powered up so the neighbor won't follow. If things go wrong and you're spotted, immediately hide in a wardrobe or behind curtains. Then toss a distraction to lead patrols away and retry the exit with the same timing strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.